This video is not going to be a coding tutorial. I'm planning to have zero code in this video. I don't want you to be confused whether or not to pick front end or back end. I want you to be able to accurately see what the state of the world is today and take a decision using the information that I'm going to give you. Okay, take it from me. I've worked as a front-end and a back-end developer for individual companies. I've also worked as a full-stack developer for other clients. And on top of that, I've done some deployment shit over at my internship at AWS. So I've pretty much seen everything, okay? So the age-old question, front-end or back-end, which one should you choose? Now, I want you to really think about this for a minute. The answer is more simple than you think. In fact, it's so easy that most people don't even understand how simple it is. Okay, enough, Neil, enough. Stop hyping it up. We want to know what the answer is. Yeah, okay. Easy. Are you a logical person or are you a creative person? Neil, what? What the does that mean? If you're a creative person, trust me, front end is fine. If you're a logical person, you're better off designing infrastructure and designing the architecture needed in order to maintain big systems. Okay? Now, hear me out. I consider myself a logical person. So many developers consider themselves logical people. But at the end of the day, not all developers are back-end developers. So many people I know hate front-end development because it is tedious. It is very tedious. There is a famous battle that constantly goes on between designers and front-end people. You see, when I get a design from the designer in our team, I have to look at that and be like, this guy doesn't know about front-end design. His designs are beautiful, absolute gold, like from God. It looks extremely pleasing to the eye. But unfortunately, this is kind of impossible to implement in Tailwind. Seriously. Now, if you're ready for that, please, by all means, go become a front-end developer. But if you're not ready for it, I think back-end is the best choice for you. However, one thing I really need to be clear with is this. You see, now that the people who don't really give a shit about their career have left, because obviously, retention rates, right? I know right now that if you're watching this, you really give a shit about the question front-end or back-end. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I think you need to hear. And that is both. Both are the key to success. It's not a surprise that AI is taking up a lot of our working capacity as developers. It's kind of scary how fast AI is able to do our work. Today, I use AI side by side in my code editor. I need it. I feel like I'm missing my arm, for example. Like I'm missing a body part whenever I'm not using AI while coding. This started in 2021 when I was using GitHub Copilot. I was one of the first people to actually use it. Like I'm talking about worldwide, yeah. Not that I'm a special kid and GitHub gave me special access, but I was under beta and it was the best thing ever. So using AI with my code is extremely important for me. And what I'm trying to say here is that with these tools, you are able to do anything you want to do. Anything you want to do as long as you have that mindset. And look, you know the terms front-end and back-end already. That's why you're watching this video. But let me be really clear with you here. The goal is not to be able to just create an interface or to create an API. No. The goal here is to be able to create integrated systems that perform a single action. All right? If you're just a front-end developer, you're missing out on so much about architecture, about back-end architecture, just because you made that decision for yourself. I'm going to be a front-end developer. And vice versa for back-end developer. Extremely vice versa for back-end developer. If you want to be just someone who works with APIs, listen, you can do that, but let me be really honest with you, bro. Somebody's going to replace you, whether it's going to be AI or a better developer in 5 years. But where you can really shine out and really be a star 10x developer is if you do both, bro. Obviously, full-stack developers are paid more. And now you might ask me, but Neil, I'm not creative. I don't know how to do front-end developing. Neither do I. But technically, I'm a front-end developer, aren't I? Look, as long as you have that ability to solve problems, to look at a design and reproduce that on a mobile screen, on an iPad Air, like iPad screen, and a desktop screen, laptop screen. As long as you have enough brains to do that, you are a front-end developer. You will get a design from your designer. All you need to do is implement that design into code, and that's it. You're a front-end developer. Now let's think about this one step ahead. This is how I think about implementing these designs. As a front-end developer, you probably have or as a developer, right? You probably have a boss or someone who is giving you instructions, okay? That person in charge needs to have a program or an app that is extremely usable for their clients. They cannot be shipping junk. They can't be shipping something that users don't want to use. All right? So what I'm trying to say is that front end is one of the most important things in an application. Next to the fact that back end is one of the most important things as well. Okay? But from the point of view of a user, the front end is everything. And so the front end is equally as important as the back end. So for you, the person still watching, bro, I need you to understand the answer to front end or back end, which one should I choose, is both. You need to be good at both. This will not only make you a fantastic, fabulous, bombastic developer, but it would also make you somebody capable of creating robust applications at any point in time, especially with AI by your side. Okay? You know what? I'll be honest here. I think you should really consider, and I'm not going to tell you what to do in your life, but I think you should strongly consider finding a problem to solve and solving it with your coding abilities. Because doing that is your one-way ticket to making a ton of money in the future. I want you to go read this book called 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Okay? Read that book and understand the ability, just the sheer amount of benefit, the advantage that you, the full stack developer, has compared to everybody else. If you care about being high on the social hierarchy, if you believe in that, you'll understand that being a full stack developer is being powerful as and I want you to experience that every single day of your life. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility as well. And yet if you're capable of whipping up a front end, whipping up a back end, whipping up a database and deploying that to the cloud, and you have you have decent enough skills to look at a problem in an industry or in a market and solving it, that's your recipe for success. On paper, you can become a millionaire. So many people have done it before in the past. I want you and me to be great developers, man. Imagine the world in the next few years when AI has taken control of almost everything, where you and me are just chilling, sitting around, and we've achieved the things we wanted to achieve. We've made the money we've wanted to make, and we're chilling with our children. We're laughing and we're talking about the 2020s, where you and I took the action that we needed to take, and we became those legendary product creators, those influences in society that people love. I made a stupid app in 2 days. In 2 days, I made a stupid, almost useless app, yet I got all these replies from people. Imagine if we gave a about this, my friend. We full stack developers, we have a duty to be the best. And I want you to meet as many other full stack developers as you can to form teams of constructive, productive units of society. All right? Go partner up with someone who can fulfill your worldview and make these beautiful products for society. There's a link in the description to a group of talented individuals that want to basically do the same thing you want to do. Let's keep it at that. Join them, have fun, build great. I'm looking forward to the products that you want to build. Contact me if you want to contact me. If you can look at the sub count, I'm still not famous yet. So please reach out. Genuinely, please reach out to me. Let's build some great. If I can help you in any way necessary, do let me know. All right? Take it easy. I love you. Take care. Make some fantastic and let's crush this. Okay? Life is a gift given by the gods to make a proper use of it. I'll see you soon. See you in the next video. Bye.